How to make a dart gun with a screw dart.
Okay, really, I'm gonna start getting out of there.
I'm gonna get out of here.
I'm not staying and eating at freaking midnight. Nice, I love it.
Here's one with paper, but we're using aluminum this time.
Rockstar.
Look at that.
Rockstar.
Rockstar energy drink aluminum. What we'll be shooting the dart with.
That's fine right there.
No, it's not. See, because Dad, look, it has it slopes in.
But that's how we shot the last one.
I know, but last time we trimmed it.
Well, trim it. You can trim it back. That'll be alright.
Oh yeah, I guess there's a bunch of pressure going through this time.
It's like it warps the thing.
Yeah, that would totally happen.
Dude, when this shoots out...
There's a target right there.
About the head.
Oh god, here we go.
Here we go.
Dude, safety off.
Do not shoot through the garage door.
You're telling me to back up and then I don't shoot through
Okay,
the door.
you shoot.
I just mean don't.
Don't hit the garage door. Like, hit the freaking
No,
gear.
I need that. Now they can't see you, Jake.
I don't care.
Pansy.
Pull the trigger.
Whoa.
Hey, just say the gear hit the door and made it.
Look at that. Right through the garage.
Shut up.
What are you doing?
We just hit this and it goes... That is
Holy crap.
in a metal door.
That's the garage door.
Went through
It
the
locked
gear.
him in